Hello guys, start of one more session on about SEO. Most of you are aware what the client is expecting from SEO agencies. They are expecting one of these three things. First, building brand awareness. Second, getting more people come to their landing pages. And third, generating leads. But let's understand what SEO agencies are, how SEO agencies craft their strategy. Okay, as far as Opteamize is concerned, we have been in this business for about 4 years, and my strategy is clear and what I tell to people on my team. First is we look at any website from a technical perspective and look at ways how we can enhance the website. So it could be from a speed perspective, be mobile, from a user experience. Then we look at the on-page activities that can be done on the website, the URL, the adding the keywords for the headings, the alt text on the images. Once these two, which are in our control, are optimized to the extent possible, we move on to the content. For this, we look at what are the keywords that are relevant for the landing page, and then look at what such queries have brought people to that particular landing page, and looking at keyword tools, and then trying to see how we can optimize the content, add additional content, then again try to make some additional changes. It could maybe adding a video here or image there. Once this is done, the website is now primed for links. So we look at the internal links that can be done, do an internal link analysis, then add links to get more SEO juice, add some good quality external links, could be no follow, and then look at what are the backlinking possibilities and the social links. So essentially at a high level, our SEO strategy is very clear: technical on page first, followed by optimizing the content, and finally the backlink and the social links. That's all about it for this session. Thanks.